what's the deal?
Okay, we are at Hilton Head, South Carolina, and we are going to go ride on the island.
On the beach?
Yes, on the beach. We're actually on the mainland right now, but we're going to go over a bridge and we'll be right there.
All right, and we got the bikes. We brought the Gazelles. No, I take that back. These are the Treks.
Yes,
FX+2s strapped into the back of the truck. So I guess we head that way.
Yes.
All right, you're an Indiana e-bike rider, but you're not in Indiana.
No, I'm not. I'm in South Carolina.
South Carolina, Hilton Head. And we're going to ride on the beach next to the ocean, right?
We are.
Okay, and apparently this bike with skinny tires is going to make it.
We'll find out.
All right. Yeah, warm.
I just heard that you just...
How hard is it to pedal in the sand? Pretty hard stuff. Oh. Hi. Yeah, nice park. Yeah. Hilton Head Island. Uh-huh.
There's the guy with the alligator.
Yeah, we're going to see the guy with the alligator. Well, I guess. Pet him.
I want to see this fountain thing over here. There's another one on the other on this side. These more brown. Whoops, there's one right there. It's blending in.
There we are. There we are. Look at the moss. What's that called? Spanish moss, right?
Spanish moss.
Okay, well, everybody's got it.
Yeah.
Everybody's got a little bit. Unless you're a palm tree, I don't think then you get it.
Yeah. These are on those live oak trees.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this here. What's the deal? What are we doing?
We're going to check out the Omni.
Yeah, right here, the Omni. Yeah. We're in Palmetto Dunes. I don't know how the hell we got in with a gate. I think we just acted like we belong and they let us in. So now we're going to check this out. Okay, here we are.
This is pretty.
Oh, yeah. Gotta move a pawn here to see if it's gonna work. Let's see if you get checkmate. All right. Well, the blacks are kind of crowding each other.
Yeah, they're all in formation.
We're swimming today. It's 72 degrees, but probably not today. They're not going to swim today. They got 3 pools.
That's what he said.
Gee, just met the manager. Gave us a run around.
I wonder if that goes to the beach.
Well, let's go up there and see if it goes to the beach. I know this is a bike riding video, but what the hell? Is that for COVID?
What?
Are those for COVID? If you
No,
have
that's
COVID, you wear those?
for when it's cold. You can stay warm in there.
Here we go. Look at this here.
Look at this. Okay.
Sunrise 6:44, sunset 5:28.
High
Temperature.
tide,
Yeah.
2:32. So we're close to
Oh,
low tide again.
there's
Swell's
the ocean out
12:41.
there. We don't need to go out there because we know what that looks like.
Yeah,
But, wow.
it doesn't look as busy.
No, it's another busy down
There's
here.
hardly
I'm sure.
anybody on there.
Okay, back to the bikes and off we go.
Okay.
Want to rent a bike? How would you ever pick the one you wanted?
I think they pick it.
Oh goodness.
They size it for you.
There must be 1,000 bikes.
Oh, easily.
Uh-huh. Squeaky brakes. I did some new pads. A whole bunch of bikes there. Hey, what you got?
We got a gator
Alligator?
right there. Little
Ooh,
guy.
yeah. He doesn't look happy.
Okay.
Uh-huh. And here we are, 15 miles later.